Okay, we're going to find out what Buddy's DNA is.
I think he's Australian Shepherd.
I vote he's at least 3 combinations.
Yeah.
At least 3.
Probably
I see
2.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5? What?
5 different things.
Yeah, Australian Shepherd and Dachshund is definitely in there.
Okay, Buddy is. I'm gonna start from the bottom, from the little bitty ones.
The
Go
tiny
up.
pieces.
The one that's do the tiniest detail.
Buddy is 8% Chow Chow.
What's
8% Chow Chow. It's a big furry dog.
8% miniature poodle.
8% mini poodle.
13% cocker spaniel.
Whoa.
Wow.
16% boxer.
Whoa.
Boxer.
And the top one, 20% chihuahua.
Chihuahua. He's not even a dachshund.
He's not a dachshund. He's not an Australian Shepherd. He's not
He's mostly
a Pomeranian.
tiny details.
Boy, you're a chihuahua.
Maybe that's
What do you think, Raya?
He's part mini poodle too.
He's mostly a Chihuahua.
So, read them in order now. Chihuahua,
Chihuahua, cocker spaniel,
spaniel,
boxer,
boxer,
and
and a little of
chihuahua or chow chow.
chow chow and poodle.
Yeah.
Oh,
But so there's a more detailed one. Okay, those are like the top 5 breeds. But there's a more detailed one
That has a
goes
bunch of
into
little
more.
things.
Okay.
Okay, what is the more? What is more? I want
Okay, in the terrier category, there's 20% Chihuahua, as we know, 5% Boer Terrier, 3% Portuguese Pondango Pequeño, 3% Russian Toy Terrier, 2% Rat Terrier, and 1% Toy Manchester Terrier.
Good boy. Here you go.
In the sporting category, he is 13% Cocker Spaniel, as we know, 8% Miniature Poodle, 2% wire-haired Vizsla, and 2% Vizsla. And then under the guard category, 16% Boxer. Under the companion category, 5% Russian Svetnaya Bolonka,
Got a little Russian.
4% American Eskimo Dog, and 1% Bolognese. Under Asian, he's 8% Chow Chow. And under herding, he's 4% German Shepherd Dog.
Oh, a little bit German
3%
Shepherd.
Collie. Isn't that crazy?
German
Wonder if his coloring's German Shepherd.
Maybe that's his color.
Wonder if the coloring is
He's
German
like a
Shepherd.
chihuahua and a German shepherd.
You
Isn't that
good boy,
crazy or
huh?
what?
Yeah, his brown and
Got lots
black
of stuff.
color is probably German Shepherd, and then there's white
Oh, yeah.
something else. His little creamy white.
Probably
It
the
says
poodle.
under the genetic help stuff, but he is all clear for 29 genetic conditions that could impact his early vet visits. Let's see.
Cool, he has no disease.
Yeah, all the things they checked for, he has a clean bill of health.
Yay. No genetic issues, huh?
No genetic issues at all.
Buddy is a chihuahua.
He's a
Let's see, I don't
chihuahua.
understand all the traits.
I never
but-
expected that.
So he's... What were the...
It's a chihuahua.
Keep forgetting the top
It's
ones.
like, come on, chihuahua.
Keep
German
reading
Chihuahua.
ones.
The top
German
3.
chihuahua.
Yeah, he,
Top 3.
It was Chihuahua.
Boxer, Cocker Spaniel.
But which one's bigger on those last 2?
they're the same.
Boxer. That's in order.
Oh, okay.
Chihuahua, Boxer,
Chihuahua,
Cocker Spaniel.
Boxer, Cocker Spaniel.
Dad.
I'll bet the Cocker Spaniel is where he gets the butt fluff.
For his, I'm gonna call him a German Chihuahua because he's mostly Chihuahua, but he has German coloring. You're a German
I can't
Chihuahua.
believe that he's like mostly an overgrown Chihuahua.
Oh, I guess the coloring could be Chihuahua too.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he's part mini poodle. His ears look like a Chihuahua shape. That's where I think of it from. When they're like up.
Yeah.
He's just so many things.
You were just a good mix, buddy dog.
And apparently a good mix because he's healthy.
Yeah.
With no genetic bad stuff.
What does the
He's a perfect
weird.
dog.
He's mostly
Tail wagging means he's happy.
Oh, he's a good boy.
Everybody knows
is that
What?
about dogs?
The tail fluff? What?
Like, where does the hair come from? What breed?
No idea.
Well, they do have
Probably
like,
the white-
traits.
Probably the
Poodles have hair instead of fur.
Under coat color, he's got like 9 traits. It says mask, meaning dark muzzle possible. Recessive red variant
Got the
1,
pickle puppy.
tan points. Chocolate variant possible. Chocolate variant possible. Let's see,
Wait, what is chocolate variant?
just coloration. He has a long coat, is what they consider it. Reduced shedding. He is a low shedder.
Yay! I like that.
Buddy's ideal weight range is 58 to 88 pounds.
Well, he's like 25.
Yeah.
He's a big chihuahua. You're a big chihuahua, buddy. Yes. Are you a big chihuahua?
Big chihuahua.
Boxers are nice with kids and family.
Yeah. That's probably why he's so
Slightly
friendly.
shortened legs is a feature that he has.
Yeah, that's what made us think dachshund. Apparently, he has none of that.
Apparently he has what?
No dachshund.
Buddy farted again.
None at all. I
I
know.
think Buddy's gassy today. Whew.
Daddy.
You said you want a pickle?
Come on, Pickle. Come here.
You're in a pickle.
So I think the gray dog that's up where the water.
Is that it?
I think so. There's not a whole lot in here as far as that kind of goes.
Doesn't talk about the hair versus fur or the tail
Guys.
curve or anything.
I think Buddy's body shape is boxer.
Boxer? Have you seen a boxer?
Boxers have long, skinny legs.
Do you know Nancy and Eric's dog, Sasha?
I mean, like-
Sasha?
That's a boxer.
I'm talking about like his body shape.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Like the core.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And the way he stands. Not like his leg length.
All right.
Oh, wait, can I see a boxer?
Oh, now we know.
Yeah, that's.
We love them the same anyway.
They like the boxer.
His legs are
Yeah.
just like
That's
Show
pretty
the camera
different.
the Chihuahua, Brennan.
Yeah, that's.
Buddy has like this kind of legs with the
Kind of
floops and
got a
everything.
chihuahua head.
Buddy's mostly like
But-
this chihuahua.
He
And
has
chihuahua
a
legs.
kind of a physique of like the
Chihuahua.
torso boxer.
Hey,
His chihuahua
buddy.
legs
He's so
are
cute.
box body.
You're Mexican.
Like, what is
His
his
face is like mostly chihuahua, I think.
And then a little bit boxer.
You guys